Hello and welcome to what must be one of the most highly anticipated projects in the area. Setting a new benchmark for luxury hills living, 21 Pioneer Place Castle Hill is finally ready. Delivering unmatched elegance and sophistication, this home, this property and this location is something you'll not just want to see, you'll need to see it to believe it. Captivating in all its exquisite detail, this amazing home has so much to offer. Clearly something truly special has been not only designed, but executed so beautifully. Rarely are renovations done this well. I do believe once you've seen it, this home will leave a magical lasting impression. The only question is, are you ready to make this fabulous property yours? I'm Karen Dangola from Di Jones. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. We look forward to seeing you soon.